It's 2020, but believe it or not, unstable internet connection is still a real issue. These days, internet is as important as electricity, and you want to get the speed that you're paying for. Alright? So you don't want to be like this girl who's just looking around her house for a stable internet connection. I mean, it looks like a nice house, but when you finally do find a line, it happens to be right next to the router.
Sucks, right? Not having internet. I mean, we've all been there.
Wait, who are you? Get out, please.
So as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. We've all been there before, okay? We buy a nice house, the house of our dreams, alright, with all our hard-earned cash, and at the end of the day, we pick a nice room. 2 weeks later, we realize there's no freaking internet connection, alright? And the worst part is, you're already spending so much money on the most expensive internet package, but you still can't get a signal. So what's up with that, right? The problem is, when you buy a big house, there are lots of dead spots, okay? So in every house, the Wi-Fi signal isn't going to be as strong, especially in big ones, because there are walls and other obstacles in the way, okay? So if you have a house that's more than 3,000 square feet, what you're going to need is NETGEAR's Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system, because this mesh Wi-Fi system is the best in the business, and it really looks like our friend Afika could use it for this place. So let's see what she has to say about it, alright? Hey,
You
it's me.
again?
Yes, it's me again, and I think I have the solution to your problem. Can I come in? Thank you. Alright, so I saw you like walking around trying to get internet connection, is that it? Like,
You know, okay, actually I bought this house.
okay.
It's
Yeah, it's a
big
nice house.
Yeah, you know, it's a dream house by
Yes.
the way. But I'm facing this problem which I cannot get my internet connection. Okay.
Wait, so like when you're downstairs you can't get any line, is it?
Yes.
But upstairs next to your modem you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think
Apparently, yes.
I think we've all been there before. So all we gotta do is do a quick speed test.
Alright.
Alright, so let's see.
So Afika pays for 300 Mbps a month, but it looks like she's only getting about 33.9 Mbps, and that, my friends, is problematic.
That's why you need NETGEAR's Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system. Alright, so this thing is actually consists of two, one router, one satellite. Okay, so unboxing the NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system is actually really simple. So the first thing you'll see when you open the box is the 3-step instructions on how to connect it to the app. Okay, so that's super simple. And then next thing you have is the two devices, which is the Orbi satellite, which is this one, and the Orbi router, which will give you gigabyte speeds where you need them. So on top of that, you also get the usual stuff like the Ethernet cable, power adapters. You get 2 of those, 2 Type-C adapters and 2 Type-G adapters. So that's everything you need to set up your Orbi Wi-Fi. Alright, so with this, right, you already paid for the fastest internet. Now with this, you get to experience it everywhere in your home.
Oh.
So as you can see, it's already been set up.
Wow.
Yes, and it's so easy to set up. You can just use an app and hook it up to your house, just like that.
Okay.
And one more thing, it actually prolongs the battery life of your devices. Isn't that crazy? So your laptop, right, normally maybe 2 hours it will last.
Oh, okay.
But with this mesh Wi-Fi system, it can actually prolong the use of your battery.
Wow.
So that's pretty insane, right?
Yes.
And on top of that, it actually comes with some pretty nifty security features. So whenever you lose your device, your laptop, you lost it, you can wipe your data from your laptop remotely because it's connected to this.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow,
So-
wow, that's cool.
Let me show you how easy it is to set it up, alright?
Yep.
So, alright, so now that Afika's house has been set up with the NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system, let's take a look and see whether she's experiencing a better, well, life in general. Alright, so let's go. Hey!
Hey!
Yeah, so how's the internet?
It's good. It's really good.
So upstairs, downstairs, all can
Yes,
get.
yes, I can't believe it.
Yes,
Right?
so that's the difference that NETGEAR's Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system makes, alright?
Yes,
so
it is.
let's do a quick speed test and let's see how much of internet you're actually using right now, okay? So
Previously, Afika was only utilizing 33 Mbps of a 300 Mbps plan a month. But after installing NETGEAR's Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system, it's as close to 300 as it gets.
So you're maximizing your Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Exactly.
Oh my god.
Crazy, right?
It's crazy.
There you have it. With NETGEAR's Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system, you get to work better, study better, game better, and well, pretty much enjoy a better quality of life, the way it should be in this technological day and age. And the best part is, you can always just check on your Orbi app and see who's connected. If there's any strangers, you can just disconnect them straight. Or you can check on the health of your Wi-Fi system and all sorts of other things, even a signal strength test. Everything is on one app.